Alright, we got this one to install. Putting the radio together, then we can program it. We got our box mounted. Got the PoE in there and the router. Got it plugged in. We're going to put the pole right next to this one and stick it in the ground. And the AP is just right over there on top of that building right there. And that 10-foot pole will be more than enough to get over this RV, so we can all keep it right here like I like it, all in one place. All right, we got the PoE in there and we got the cube up there. We have the laptop plugged into the PoE and the PoE plugged into the CPE up there. Now we're programming it. It's doing some good old updates. Now it should be updated, and then be able to log into the cube and set up the Wi-Fi for it, and then we should be all good. And then drop the cube and the CPE into the client's account and tell it to activate account, and they should have internet within 15-20 minutes. At least that's what I'm shooting for. So let's get back to it. Okay, we got this one done. Got it plugged in. Got the box mounted and locked. They don't want us to screw anything into the 4x6. They say we can strap it to it, but we can't screw into it. So we just took some guide wire and just wrapped it around there and pulled it tight with our side cutters. Just kept twisting till it's nice and firm, not going nowhere. About 1 foot to 18 inches roughly in the ground, so it's not going anywhere. Now we just need to tell them that they got internet and give them the password.